my students, how are you? Prep 1. Now we will solve our questions from algebra about unit 1 from Master book, page 20. Question number 1. 3 over 2 power 0 equal 1. 3 over 5 power negative 2, we can find the inverse about this fraction. 5 over 3 power 2. It will be 5 power 2 equal 25, 3 power 2 equal 9. And here 2 and 1 over 4 we can convert from improper or from mixed to improper number. Right, 4 in the numerator, 2 times 4 equal 8 plus 1 equal 9. 9 over 4, it's meaning 3 over 2 power 2. He asked about 2 over 3, so the result will be 2 over 3 power negative 2. Write the inverse about the power here. The additive inverse of the number 3 power negative 1 is space. We know 3 power negative 1, it will be 1 over 3. So the additive inverse about this number will be negative 1 over 3. You must change the sign. The multiplicative inverse of the number negative 2 over 5 power negative 2 equal. First, we must solve this example. This example will be what? 5 and write negative here and 2 in the numerator and write 2. You must inverse this fraction. The result will be 25 over 4. So the multiplicative inverse about the result here, it will be 4 over 25. It's the result about this example. The result will be 4 over 25. But 25 over 4, it's the result about this expression, about term. Okay, so you must write here 4 over 25. 9x power negative 3 equal 9 over space. We can find the result here about this example. We know 9x power negative 3, it's meaning what? It's meaning 1 over x power a power 3. Okay, 1 power 3 equal 1 and 9 power 3, it's meaning 9 times 9 times 9. 9 times 1 equal 81. 81 times 9 equal 729 and x here power 3. Okay, and here right here 9 in numerator over space, we can multiplication 9 here and here. Write x power 3. 9 times 9 equal 81. Write 1 and carry up 8. 2 times 9 equal 18. 18 plus 8 equal 26. Write 6 and carry up 2. 7 times 9 equals 63. 63 plus 2 equals 65. Okay, if he give us this example, you must solve this by this method, this number by this method, because 9 times x in parentheses or power negative 3, it's meaning the inverse about this term. 1 over 9x or power 3, it's meaning 1 power 3 equal 1 and 9 power 3 equals 729. 9 times is 3 times. And here right in the result 9 over space, we must multiplication 9 by numerator and denominator. So the result will be this number. 9 times 9 equals 81. Write 1 and carry up 8. 9 times 2 equals 18 plus 8 equals 16. 6 and carry up 1. And 9 times 7 equal what? 9 times 7 equals 63 plus 2 equals 65. Look at this example. 3 power 8 times 3 power negative 8 equal 2 power 0. Why? Because this number will be 3 power 0. 8 minus 8 equals 0. 3 power 0 equal 1. 1 equals 2 power 0. So the result here 0. Question 8. b power negative 1 all power negative 3. Negative 1 times negative 3 equal 3. If a power 2 or power 6 equal 3 to by n, so we can find n. A power 3 times n. So the result here, we can solve this example here. A power 2 times 6 equal 12 equal a power 3 times n equal 3n. So 12 equal 3n. 3 times 4, so n will be equal 4. If a equal b, then a power a 2 power a minus b, it would be 2 power 0 equal 1. X power negative 5 over y power negative 5, we can solve it here. it will be x over y all power -5. Negative, we can find the inverse about fraction here. Y over x all power 5. Write the inverse about fraction. A power -5 plus 1 equal a power -5 plus base in parentheses. We can find the head common factor between them. Divided this expression by a power -5, it will be 1. And 1 divided a power -5, it will be a power 5. Okay, divided this number here, 1 divided this number, the inverse about it. Understood? A power -5 times 1 equal a power -5. A power -5 times a power 5 equal a power 0 equal 1. Okay, understood this method? Right, I had common factor outside. Okay, here 2 times 2 power 5 times 2 power 3, it's meaning 2 power 8. And here 2 over 3 power -2, it's meaning 2 multiply 3 power 2. Okay, 2 times 3 power 2, write this number in numerator here, and the result will be 2 times 3 power 2 equal 9, 2 times 9 equal 18. And this number 3 power 6 plus 3 power 6 plus 3 power 6 equals 3 power space. We know this number here, 3 power 6 adding 3 times, it's meaning 3 power 6 multiplied by 3 equal 3 power 7. We can add the 2 power here, so we must write 7 up. This expression, we can find the result about this expression. 3 power -2 over 2. We have to here result about the inverse. Write 2 over 3 power 2 multiply by 9 over 4 multiply by 3 over 4 power 0, it will be 1. And you can complete this number. 2 power 2 equal 4, 3 power 2 equal 9 multiply by 9 over 4 multiply by 1. The result will be 1. We have the multiplicative inverse about this number, multiplication about z equal 1. The standard form of the number, we can move the point 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7.21 multiply 10 power 6. We moved to right hand side, so we must write the negative here because you moved from left hand side to right hand side. Okay, the standard form of 7 million, it means 7 times 10 power 6. Okay, 7 million. The number in standard form, we must move the point to left hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It will be 5.346 multiply 10 power what? Count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We moved to left hand side, the power here will be positive. But if you move the point from right hand side, the power here will be negative. The standard form of the number, we must move the point here to left hand side by 2 digits. Write 1.2 multiply 10 power 2. You move to left hand side, the sign about power will be positive. Complete there. Write 10 power -3. And the result here will be 10 power 1 multiply 1.2. This is the result about this example, final result here. Okay, because 2 minus 3 equal -1. 2 plus -3 equal -1. With the standard form about this number, we must move the point, put the point and move it. 3.7 multiply 10 power what? We move the point to left hand side by 1 digit. To left hand side, power 1. 10 power 5. It will be 3.7 multiply 10 power 6. Next page. This number 0.007. X equal, ask it about the x. We move the point 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digit by right hand side. So the result will be 3.7 multiply 10 power -4. So x will be 3.7. And here 3 times n power x. The point here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Move the point 5 digit by left hand side. Okay, left hand side here. so x will be 5. The result will be 3 times 10 power 5. So x here will be 5 because we move the point what? From right hand side to left hand side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. We have 5, 0 here. And this number we can find the result and convert to standard form. This number, its meaning times itself. I will solve it here. Look at with me about this example. Its meaning 7 multiply 10 power what? 1, 2, 3, and the sign here after 3 digits, all power 2. You can solve this example. Again, this number power 2, its meaning times itself. I solve or I convert this number to mixed number, or convert from this number to standard form and find the result. About the result, 7 power 2 equal 49, and 10 power negative 3 times 2 here, it will be negative 6. Then it will be negative 6. It's power here. The standard form of the number 0.09 times this number. First, we know this number, its meaning 9 times 10 power negative 2, and this number, its meaning 5 multiplied 10 by power 1, 2, 3, 4, and the sign after 3 digits will be negative. Okay, and 5 times 9 equal 45. 10 power negative 2 times 10 power negative 4, it will be 10 power negative 6. You can write this number in standard form. Write point here and move the point to left hand side. It will be 4.5, 10 power 1. You move the point here from right hand side to left hand side. 10 power 1 multiply 10 power negative 6. So you can complete this number, right? 4.5 multiply 10 power 1 minus 6 equal minus 5. The result will be 4.5 times 10 power negative 5. Okay. And what about the order operation? We know the order operation. Parenthesis first, exponent next, multiplication and division is the same step. Addition and subtraction from left hand side, right hand side, first come, first serve. So in this example, you can find the result about 4 times 5 in the first step. 3 plus 4 times 5 equal 20 minus 20 equals 0. 0 plus 3 equal 3. And here 4 times 5 equal 20, subtract by 12 divided by 3. 20 subtract by 12 divided by 3 equal 4. 20 minus 4 equals 16. If x equal 3 and y equal negative 1, then 2x plus 2 multiply 3 minus 1. We must satisfy about x and y here. 2 times 3 equals 6 plus 2 multiply 3 minus y, right? 2 outside here. 3 minus y, y equal negative 1. 3 minus minus 1 here, negative times positive equal positive, okay? Again, negative times so equal positive, and the result will be 6 plus 2 times 3 plus 1 equal 4. 4 times 2 equal 8. 6 plus 8 equal 14. And this number 3 times 4 divided by 6 subtract by 2 power 3 equal 8 divided by negative 2. The result will be what? 3 times 4 equal 12 divided by 6 subtract 8 divided by negative 2. Look at here. Negative divided by negative equal positive. Again, 3 times 4 equal 12. Okay, divided by 6. Subtract by 8 divided by negative 2. Negative divided negative equal positive. And 8 divided by 2 equal 4. And 12 divided by 6 equals 6. 6 plus 4 equal 10. The result will be equal 10. The sum of two square roots of the rational numbers 81 equal space. Sum of two square roots of the rational number equal 0, because the first root it will be negative 9 and the second will be 9. Negative 9 plus 9 equals 0. Okay, again the sum of two roots in any numbers equals 0. Okay, the additive inverse of the number square root of 9 over 16, we know the result will be 3 over 4. So the additive inverse about 3 over 4 it equal negative 3 over 4. The multiplicative inverse of the number here, root of 25 over 36, it will 5 over 6. Asked about multiplicative inverse, we can write here the inverse about this result, it will be 6 over 5. Square root about 100. Subtract by 36. We can find the difference first. Don't distribute the power here, it's wrong, okay? So you must first the result about 100 subtract 36 equals 64. 64 root of about 64 equal 8, so you must write here what? 10 minus 2, because 8 equal 10 minus 2. Square root about this number equal what? We have negative 8 power 2 equals 64 plus 36. Square root of 100 here, 10. The square root about 0.36, it's meaning 36 over 100, it will be 6 over 10, it's meaning 0.6. If a plus b equal 25, then 2a plus 2b equal, we can multiply 2 by left hand side, right hand side. Then we can write 2 here, 2a plus 2b equal 2 times 25. Okay, understood? Multiply 2 by left hand side and right hand side. The result will be equal 50. If 2x equal 6, then x equal 3. So 5x, it's meaning 5 times 3 equal 15. The solution set of the equation x plus 5 equal 2 in R equal space. He asked about in n, it will be 5 null set, because x will be negative 3 and negative 3 not belonging to a natural number. If 3x equal 5y equal 15, then x times y equal, we know 3x equal 15, it's meaning x equal 5 and 5 times y equal 15, then y equal 3. So x will be 5 and y equal 3. 5 times 3 equal 15. If z greater than y and y greater than x, then z greater than x. The solution set of inequality x plus 3 less than 3 in natural number is space. We can solve this example by move 3 from left hand side right hand side and change the sign. X less than 0. Okay, so he asked about a natural number. We haven't a number in natural number less than 0, so it will be 5 null set. Okay, if you put here 1, it will be greater, not smaller. Okay, put 0, so we can find the result because it's less than 0. Okay, the solution set of equality here in natural number, we can write the difference between digits between 2 and 4 and write 4 and 3 only. 2, 3, 4, right? 3 and 4 only. The age of Ahmed now is x years, then his age 3 years ago would be x minus 3 years. X subtract by 3 years. Okay, my students, in the next time I will complete our question with you. Okay, goodbye.